Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating geometric puzzle that involves dividing a square into 8 rectangles of equal area, with one rectangle having a specific width. Let's unravel this mathematical mystery and discover the hidden dimensions of the square. When we talk about dividing a square into rectangles of equal area, precision in geometric calculations is key. In this puzzle, we know that one of these rectangles has a width of 8 units. The question is, what are the dimensions of the entire square? Imagine we have a rectangle with a width of 8 units, but its length is unknown. To solve this, we need to calculate its area. This area represents a fraction of the square's total area. By using this information, we can determine the dimensions of the other rectangles and the square as a whole. Let's start by calculating the area of the known rectangle, which is simply the width multiplied by the length. In this case, it's 8 times the length. Since all 8 rectangles have equal area, each rectangle's area is 8 times its length, forming part of the total area of the square. From here, we can deduce that the total area of the square is the sum of the areas of the 8 rectangles. By applying mathematical operations, we find that the necessary length of the first rectangle helps us define the other dimensions and distribute them among the remaining rectangles. After performing the necessary calculations and analysis, we discover that the complete side of the square measures 35 units. This reflects a precise balance in the distribution of areas among the 8 rectangles and highlights the elegance of mathematics in providing accurate and balanced solutions. The dimensions we found are not just numbers, they represent a complex abstract process that is at the heart of mathematics and geometry. Through this puzzle, we see that mathematics is not just a tool for calculation but a universal language that enables us to understand the world in new and innovative ways. This geometric challenge is an excellent example of how mathematics can be used to solve complex puzzles and arrive at unexpected solutions. By analyzing dimensions and areas, we determined the full dimensions of the square and distributed the areas among its rectangles in a beautiful balance. This puzzle illustrates that mathematics is not merely dry calculations but an art and science that allows us to explore the hidden aspects of shapes and structures around us. If you enjoyed this exploration into the beauty of mathematics, subscribe for more intriguing science content.